In examining the new Philippine banknotes, like 1,000 piso polymer, using money detector machine, we can see all the security features like the vertically aligned value, panel with rolling bar effect, and the tactile features for the visually challenged 5 highly embossed dots, serial numbers, metallic features, and the flying eagles. Next, using the transmitted light examination tool, in viewing 1,000 piso polymer banknotes, we can see clearly the other security features such as the tinalak weave design, the Tubatahan Reef Natural Park, image of South Sea Pearl, Philippine map, the watermarks, and the vertical clear window bearing optically variable devices such as 3D divination or observer side only, seal of the Republic of the Philippines, logo of the Bangko Sentral of the Pilipinas, an iridescent blue figure, and tactile stylized flying eagle. And using the ultraviolet machine while viewing 1,000 piso polymer banknotes, we able see clearly the different security features like polymer substrate, enhanced value panel, the Sampaguita clear window, the serial numbers, tactile dots, the embossed prints, and the shadow trades, and the vertical clear window, and the metallic features and flying eagle. By the helps of money detector in viewing the authenticity of Philippine banknotes with enhanced figure, the complexity of patterns and design, and the portrait where you can see all the security features.